If you're hurt and injured because of somebody else's negligence, then it is highly likely that you're entitled to compensation for your pain and suffering and lost wages under the law. Usually, 95% of the cases get settled before even making it into court, and insurance companies know that. And that's why they will try to persuade you to take the bait, which is what they usually offer right after the incident. Because they understand that if you contact a trial lawyer like me, then they'll have to pay 10 or 20 times more than what they're offering. There were several incidents where the insurance companies had to pay 100 times more than they offered initially. That is because whatever they offer before you get a lawyer is going to be a very small amount. So I hope you get an understanding of the power of having a trial-proven lawyer like myself working with you. Well, when people think of a case and going to court, they feel like it's going to be an uphill battle for them, and it'll cost them lots and lots of money. And we absolutely understand your concerns. That's why we're offering you our 22 years of trial experience for 100% free of upfront costs, where we will help you to get your compensation with all of our expertise, resources, and we'll also carry all of the case costs on behalf of you. No obligation, 100% risk and headache free for you. In other words, we only get paid if and when we win your case. And if we were to lose your case for some unforeseen reason, you would not owe any attorney's fees. So the process is risk-free. And for your convenience, let me explain to you what the whole process will look like. When you call, you will get me on the phone, the main lawyer. My name is Neil Redmond. I will personally answer your phone call, and you will explain to me what happened. We'll discuss your case, and I'll evaluate whether you have a case or not. In order to get compensated on a motor vehicle accident case, for example, you have to sustain a serious injury under the law. A serious injury in a motor vehicle case is defined as having either a broken bone, or you have a permanent injury, or you have a significant injury, or you can't do your normal activities for 3 months after the accident. Now, that's the case with a motor vehicle accident. Other types of accidents don't have those strict standards. So for example, if you were to slip and fall or get hurt on a job site, those particular standards of serious injury do not apply. But we will talk about it. And if you don't have a case, I'll let you know exactly why you don't have a case. If you do have a case, we will get your case going very quickly. We'll sign you up. I'll either meet you at your home, or if you're in the hospital, I'll go to your hospital room. If you can get to my office, we ask you to come on in. If you have trouble with transportation, we'll get you an Uber to bring you into the office. Now, what we do first of all is we file a claim. That's either with the insurance company or the city of New York or with the transit authority. We have to do that within 90 days with the different authorities, but we get it done within 30 days just to move the case along. And then, next thing we do is we file the lawsuit. And if the person, the company, or the entity refuses to pay a fair and just amount for your case, then we're going to take them to court and we're going to do the trial, just like I have hundreds of times in the past. Now, throughout the entire process, we'll keep you updated on everything that's happening with the case. We'll send you out letters, and anytime you want to call, you can call in and get me or one of my assistants on the phone. And when your case gets settled or we get a trial verdict, we will release your money immediately. We don't hold on to money. There's no reason to do that. We release it to you as quick as possible. Let me tell you a couple of the examples of some of the results that we've had in the past. One gentleman named Deonorine Damo was hurt on a construction site and he was awarded $1.5 million. There was a nice lady that was hit by a police car, Maria Gonzo, and she received $1.25 million. A lady named Suzanne Bilkis was awarded $600,000 after she was struck by a UPS truck. And Nancy Suarez was awarded $450 when she fell downstairs at a bodega. Now, we aren't saying that we're going to get you exactly that kind of result, but we hope you get an idea of what is possible. We don't have the power to give you back your life the way it was before your injury, but we certainly have the power to make sure you get compensation for your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and everything that we can get you that you're entitled to. So call us now at 646-285-7115 and let us serve you with our knowledge, our expertise, and our resources. Because we are here for people like you who are in trouble. So call us now before it is too late. There are certain statutes of limitation that we have to abide by. And if you want us to call you, then please click the Book Now button below and fill out the form with a description of what happened to you, and we'll get back to you very soon. Thank you for your attention, and hopefully we'll see you soon.